Top, right, bottom, and left genuinely control exactly where a positioned element actually sits once position is set. In this video you'll use real offsets precisely. These real offsets genuinely position the badge 10px from the actual top and left edges of its positioned container. Switching to bottom right genuinely anchors the real badge to the opposite corner instead. This real, common pattern genuinely centers an element perfectly, 50% per 50% plus a real negative transform offsetting by its own actual size. Top right bottom left genuinely position an element once position is set. Offsets genuinely measure from the corresponding real edge. The centering trick genuinely combines 50% offsets with a real negative transform. Center a real badge perfectly within its container using the transform trick. Ready to control real stacking order with Z-index.